Hello everyone. I just received a Rhema word from Yahweh. And for those who've been, tracking with me, I was just asking the Lord about the sabbatical that I'm supposed to be on. And, because God is not the author of confusion. And so, sometimes we have to clarify things with God. And so, he did tell me to take an entire week where I didn't post anything, and I did execute that. I was obedient to that, although delayed, but I did do that. But at this point, something did recently shift here in the spirit. There's in the past, I don't know, week or so, things have shifted. There's been a changing of season in the spirit and the changing of guard and so on and so forth. And I believe what the Lord just told me is that I'm to be on sabbatical in regards to just not getting into anything heavy or serious in terms of the assignments and the mandates He's given me, in terms of heavy topics, which I pretty much knew that, there's a lot of topics that He wants me to get into regarding like Nephilim, for example, and things like that. And he told me just, don't get into anything heavy right now. Don't get into anything heavy. Try to keep it light right now. And my sense is that He wants me to try to, guard my heart and guard my channel and my ministry, and only share certain things. Like, for example, I was listening to some dreams that I posted on this channel this morning back in 2020, and I was going to reshare them. And the Lord told me no, because, you'll have, like, He basically told me no because it'll just trigger people attacking me or whatever. And so He said, just don't bother, If people want to go backwards on your channel, then He will lead them to do that and whatever. So in case you were wondering, for the clarification, that's the clarification that I just got, is that, it's kind of like I'm on, like, sabbatical, and I'm only allowed to come on here and do selective things that He tells me. So anyway, so the Rhema word, I was praying about my personal situation, and He told me to speak in tongues, and I thought that it was going to be a personal message. I was hoping so, about what's next here for me personally, but instead this is a corporate word. So here's the word: ball rolling. Ball rolling. It begins. Look up. He is coming. Jesus, Yeshua. Bed made. Sheets stained. Sinful deeds. NWO is here. World powers are warming up. Scroll. Judgment will be rolled out. Boundaries will remain, but devastation will reign. Total destruction of marked places will endure. Curtains say goodbye. Many will come home, and many will go to hell. And signed it, Yahweh. So that's pretty much it. Not what I was expecting. Like I said, I was kind of hoping and expecting for a personal word. And so, this part here where it says, look up, He is coming. Please don't take that as like any second now or any day now. Certain things in Scripture still need to be fulfilled. Okay? And if you read this in context, that should be clear. Okay? So I will post this. All right. I bless you all in the name of Yeshua, the Christ of Nazareth.